What's up, motherfoxers? The engine is out again. Didn't really do a video on it because you've seen us do it before, but I did just throw up the camera to make a time lapse, so you guys can watch that. It's not very long, but stay tuned at the end because you might find out where the oil was coming from. Okay guys, so here, now looking at this again, if I feel this right here, because I see a lot of wetness over on this side, so if I put my thumb and I go around here like this, matter of fact, I start feeling something weird here happening. So this piece, this is like stamped, it feels alright, and you get here and I feel a bit of weirdness happening just about there, but when I get here is where I feel it. So it's like this ledge is peeled back, so it comes down through here and then goes back, and it looks a lot wetter over here, and over here inside looks dry. So I'm thinking my problem was over here, and because you see how wet it is there. But yeah, I think this whole piece right here is bent back. So it's straight here and then bent back. So I think that's where the problem was happening. We saw it slung up on here, so thought maybe we pounded this in weird, but this is all flat. It's all flush. And it's got RTV around it, so I can't imagine it was coming from there. It looked like it was, but then further inspection, I think it was this side.